How to delete your Shein account on the mobile app. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Shein account through the mobile app. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the Shein app, then tap on the Me button in the bottom right hand corner. Ensure that you're signed in, which you can see I am because it's got my username there. And next, tap on the gear icon in the top right hand corner. Next, tap on Account Security. On the next menu, tap on Delete Account. And here you can see it tells you have to apply to delete your account. But before you apply for account deletion, Shein will conduct the following verifications to ensure your account and property safety. So they have to make sure your account is not at risk of being hacked, there are no incomplete orders or post-sale orders in the account, and there are no unwithdrawn money in the wallet. So apply to delete account by clicking on the button. Once you've done that, Shein will do their checks. They'll then inform you when the account's been deleted. And that's all it takes to delete your account on the Shein app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.